Hi guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited to show you guys my quick and easy bun just because it's definitely I would say I'm just excited about it, and I want to share with you guys what I do to my hair now that I have a 7-month-old and that I'm losing my hair because of, you know, the pregnancy birth thing, and you lose your hair after like 3 to 4 months after giving birth. And I've learned all these kind of different things to do with my hair, but the most current thing that I'm really into is my Little Chic bun, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. You can see all of that. This is like close to what I woke up to this morning. This is a teasing comb that I got from the dollar store. It is super handy. So what I do is I comb it down from the top. I love the fact that I have these baby hairs that are growing out that I could really play with. The only thing is that I'm losing all these long hairs that are kind of disappearing, so it's hard to cover and make it look thick. So I'm going to show you guys how I cover that. And then I'm going to take my big brush and just brush it all the way through. Ooh, I hear a little voice. It's hard for me to have the time to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a hairband and tie my hair. I'm gonna braid it. All the way to the end. And then I'm going to take a few rubber bands and tie the ends. Then I'm going to take a few bobby pins and curl my hair into a ball. And hide the tail. Place my bobby band in all corners of the bun. So I'm going to take Shea Moisturizer, the jojoba oil, Lay Down Liquor. I think so, that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to take a little bit because really all you need is just a little. And I'm going to use my hands to put these crazy little guys down. I think he's giving me my time. He's being patient with me out there. Okay, so this is probably as good as it's going to get today. So this is my bun. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you guys want to hang out with me more by clicking that bell. Bye.